Development of embedded vision devices for very specific industry needs can get quite tasking and time-consuming. To start, you must select the right sensor and pair it with a suitable lens. However, the ISP must be tuned by an expert with specialized equipment. Now, there is an easy way to achieve the perfect image in every scenario. FSM GO by Framos is a deployable, ready-to-go optical sensor module that combines the industry's most powerful image sensors paired with the perfect lens, allowing you to achieve the best off-the-shelf image quality that is built around you and your specific industry requirements. FSM GO is fully supported for the NVIDIA Jetson and NXP i.MX8MP, two of the most popular, high-performing embedded processing platforms. Combined with the Framos Pixelmate interface, it allows easy integration with a defined pinout and connector type. FSM GO guarantees the consistent, repeatable quality of each module with the best off-the-shelf image-focused performances. Simplify your embedded vision system development and accelerate your time to market with FSM GO. For more information, visit our website at www.framos.com.